Beryl do to us right in front of my door. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Finally come down. This is what Beryl do, and the one over there is coming down as well. Look at that. I can't come out my house, I am maroon inside. Look. Right in front of the door, we can't come outside. All of this come right down. Nobody can pass it unless them know if we cross it. And no matter of them vessels before the hurricane hit the island, so I know them are secure up them vessels. This is on the canal side of the apartment complex, and it is calm and right now about 6:30 in the morning, calm and nice, but to still await to see what happens. So this is just a few of the vessels that them secure up in the canal. And a few more. They're down in the canal down there. So see a few more down here. So yeah, body has secure up them. Right now the sea starts swell, people. See it will move rough, so it will go on the backs against the rocks here, so that means it swell the sea as well, as fishermen would say. You see me? So look, as far as the eyes can see, they run on the back road and have 410 this back road. And it will go on with a little thing, this everything look like, you know what I mean, this out to happen. So we are waiting and see. So this is just a look before Beryl come and hit the island, you know what I mean? The one of the soldier camp around there, so soldier them up and thing, you know, you can see what go on the hill there, so around a side green base, around a green base side around there, so as you can see, the hill green and nice, but yeah, out of Port Royal there, so down from Kingston Harbour. You know what I mean? Everybody are trying to secure them, can't secure. Fishermen them are secure them. I go cross over the fishing village, go see what go on. Normally, in a hurricane Ivan, the whole of down here so flood out. All of this come right over in the road and the road black. You see me? That's my bridging little spot hope say this wall when put up here so can, you know, hold some of the water. But if the sea should rise the right way that they're supposed to do, nothing it's supposed to come over, but we could swap in. We'll wait and see. Father Prang. Yeah, go on with man, I secure up. You're not gonna see it. Yeah.
But me kinda, me should have bring it up the same, but to find out yet, me can't stick you up, so you know, so.
Yeah, how you put it? Right round there, so?
Yeah, van the field, you know?
Cool, man. Round there so calm though, but the sea on the over that side that like it as well.
No, it's not a whole trees are reborn.
Yeah.
How much you spend?
No, I look when I go on with down here, you know. I come check in when I go on before Hurricane Beryl take Jamaica, you know what I mean? I see some boat, people see the boat them there, and them take out them boat out of the water, secure up them little vessel, you know? Yeah, see the boat them all boat there. Why? What you say? Nah, come?
No, to me.
And
the same type of weather may predict 5 years ago. Go and travel. Travel Cuba with it.
So it will just stay like this throughout the day?
It's more trouble, but we get look sparkle. In the man, me say. predict it, say, when you see them shine, it's from south to east. You know, the few look cloud where are the silver cloud, them are kind of weather cloud.
Yeah.
If it even go up in the sky in no time, it's drift gone from Cuba. And right now, all you see that go on and all them look up like that. The sun I go warm people.
I see the sun a peak, yes sir. Sun a peak right there and them things. Yeah.
I go melt it. Make the shine sky them go and reach. For them, look at the
Mountain green up and thing. Yeah.
When every man now go and see, and them shine them the fish now, you know. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
I 70 miles.
History lesson on the fishing thing. The man is a top fisherman, you know. Father prang, is it? Yeah.
Alright, if me don't see no boat, almost about half of my work it are done already. Yeah?
Then I come in now.
So by 8 o'clock,
I look for coming in.
after 8 I'm supposed to come in, you know? So I really fish more than 3, 4, 5 miles. You know, from here to behind boat where I'll go.
Only for boat secure up on the fishing village or forum fishing village on the back road. And then secure up only for boats. So all fishermen are row coming in. See whether you can go out there and look fish. And nobody now come buy fish out here. Row coming in. Them vessels are tie up on them things. See them tie them up on big rope here. Yeah. Restrain them to the trees. Not that it can't stop it still if it will come, but at least you can do something all the way up so Edgewater going from the canal side, that's how it is, that's so calm. Yeah. Down from the forum beach, fishing village. Come on them secure them things and I wait and see. Sky look fair still away, I mean at this hour sky don't look too bad. Rain start falling again. Rain is coming down again. Hurricane Beryl is giving us rain. What time now? It's like about what time now? About 9 o'clock. Yeah, rain will come again, people. See, it's raining again. They want to make sand bag up the house door. Water not go inside.
But you need another space here, so.
He said 6 months we want with them fully. 6 months.
6 months, you can't train dog, you want? You can't train dog?
Me?
You're a dog trainer?
You see?
Hold on. On top.
You're not a dog trainer. So we don't know what you're talking about 6 months you can't make dog no back of nobody.
Train my dog and take me to
More shock the dog to get the dog covered.
yes, so they're not aggressive. That's what you would know. Oh, 1 year. No trouble that. Just trouble that stand there. I didn't
Well, she have to take good steps. Just
okay.
flat nose one day, so. Look here, me son dog.
Yeah.
When we cook them food at night time,
Yeah.
we lie down and look on when me share them food, they know it's just one another place. And if me not tell them eat it, they not take up it.
And well,
And when you sit down in the house and eat, they not come at door and look for you. They sit down at the door.
So who train them? Are you train them?
Give me a walk. You see? No matter what road me depend on them, me no send them after something, then now go after.
So you train them at them stay so?
Come, get behind me. Then now walk in front of me and me no have none chain from them.
Yeah, but are you make them stay so or them just?
And me train them. After me dog them and me train them. Anywhere me go. When we go a bush, it's when we go a bush brownie. And me sit down and meet my belly full of mango or drink 2 jelly or anything. And me sit down and water the mango tree so we can lie down and sleep. Because not even man nor beast can come there. And then now let me go home.
Yeah, but when you lie down and sleep and you not tell them say attack, them not go attack.
And it not tie good son. It not tie good.
No. Get some new bag that when them a bag you throw them out.
It not tie yet. Sit down and out.
The sun have a rat in the bag, so I saw it.
Okay. So one more tie than you want.
Yeah, man, one piece of it.
No, turn this one this side when it's up.
Jaden, use the inhaler.
Nada. Yeah, man.
You ready now?
Well, I must have not see it, then gyra. No, some kind of thing with them up over the stairway. Over the staircase them and something, them things that they have so much years, them are weak. Gyra. Guys, thing coming down. Listen to that shit there. That tear down. Beryl hit the highland and I'm going to beat him. Beryl are going with beat things sit there. Hold it for something going outside. Beryl are going with holy for things. These things are come down here, sir. Yeah, man. That's rough. This is a hot mouth here. Beryl a bad out here. See it there? Only for something going on the outside there. Definitely I will come down, look at that. Yeah man, build up and I go on with it still, brother. I ain't have no really heavy wind in just the, that's just a little normal breeze, you know, but that go on, if the real wind to come with salt, boy. The real wind hit with, you got salt. Yeah? if the real wind to blow and hit we are gonna start and mash up. We are gonna mash up. And only for little thing with them place there are some little something where all a long time so. There, set a bang. Right down it a take it. It's a bang a go on there, man. Whole heap of madness a go on where Beryl a bring from the island. See it there? Beryl a go on with a little something outside. Yeah. Beryl do to us right in front of my door. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Finally come down. This is what Beryl do and the one over there is coming down as well. Look at that. I can't come out my house, I am maroon inside. Look. Right in front of the door, we can't come outside. This is what happened. Yeah, another one coming down now. That one swinging. Hurricane Beryl reaping havoc in our mother fort. So now I go on in my community. Rain still fall, breeze a blow, but it's not as heavy. So the wind is so heavy. But I'm sure now I go on in the meantime because now Beryl go on with some little something in the skin. See? Some little trees and something. See where I go on with the one, she go on with the one here, so. See there, guys? Beryl take down that. A few of these come down. Hard. Auntie Dar. The weatherman at work have to give the report. So all this light wire thing has come down. So far it not treated so bad. Better than I thought. With that expect, based on what they were saying, we're expecting to get a hard hit. But you know, some part of the island will get some beat up where here so now and get. You know what I mean? But it's not that bad. On our side, canal rise, which is what's expected in the weather. Canal rise there. See? Canal rise up one way. Now well full up, but it rise up. Based on what I would have shown before. Look on it, it rise. But the boat them good. Boat them good outside. Beryl, nah stop it. Weatherman I get the report, you know what I mean? B. Kelly 1 TV, you know what I say? B. Kelly TV outside. Next one report, I give the report. See? Canal up. People tank blow off of them roof. People water tank blow off of them roof. Eh? Yes sir. The thing I go on man, that Beryl I go on with herself. Burst up. So I go on around from the front part. I go on for one of the front part. Come on Beryl. Oh, so I remember when I was picnic, Jamaican and a cold, and some people in the Caribbean can remember when they were kids. Come out in the rain when rain and fall. Yeah man, I live back the memory and I'm outside in the rain. You see it? Rain noise and sweet. Rain water, yeah. So outside. So them one around here is so good. Nothing no come down around here so. The all mango chop off a tree. Can get all mango. That's it. Mango chop off a tree. Singing mango. See? Outside. Look at this. You see what I go on here so? Peeps. Tank blew off of the roof and drop and land right on the yacht. Right on the little boat right here so. See it there? Blow off of the roof, you know, and drop right on it. That a go on during the hurricane, you know. This a go on, the lamp, one of the lampshade them break off of the light pole. That blow off. I'm not sure where that blow from, where I say it blow from, right off of the one there. So that blow off. And hillside, don't know hillside they are a protected one where I'll take off some of the breeze. You see me? But as I say, it's not so windy now. I mean, breeze are blow, but it's not as windy, you know. And the rain not fall heavy. So we just out here I take a stroll. You see it? See what I go on in my coat. You know what I mean? Over bayfront, villas and apartments, you know, so I get them on the sea. So you know over there supposed to go on way. So I can't walk over there, you know. Don't know if me have a little tuggy me walk over there. People look at that. You see? This thing here so. See all of that come off there so. All of this come off. Look. This bit, this way that's here so, or that bit over there so, same thing. All of them here they around the apartment complex and see the whole phase of this one here, the whole front part of this come off. This is really a disaster. It is happening. I'm outside in the weather. The weather is out. You can imagine all of this come off. Oh my. All of this come right down. Nobody can pass it unless them know if you cross it. You be Kelly TV outside and give the report. So one more jump that come off of the roof, we that come back again, we come up, build up back people. That build up back to get heavier. One more jump come off of the roof there, so a whole heap of tank blow off of the roof. Well, not a whole heap, but few tanks come down. You know what I mean? And how that? What go on? Cha-cha. No one don't say that for the black. See a word. But the outside I go and give them the report. One B Kelly TV though. B Kelly TV the outside man. Alright, cool. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. This thing can people. But then again nobody can come out here right now. Yeah. So that I go on in our coat, you know. Armada. I get our fair share to this bit come down here, so. That come down there, so. All people mess blow off of them window. Look at almond tree cut down here, so. Show people. You see? So I go on in our coat. Mesh blow down. Yeah. So I go on the outside of the road there. No, out so good. Nothing to report on the outer part of the apartment and the road. Nothing to report more than one person that traversed on the wet thoroughfare. You know what I mean? B. Kelly TV outside, it's raining. I'm loving it. Loving it. Inside green same way. Thing up. One B. Kelly outside. You hear that? We are going to the before there and the during and the after. You know what I'm saying? Outside. During Beryl. You alone out here in a beach. Alone away to the star. I mean the hurricane. Yeah. Yes sir. Outside. See? Wait, we are doing. Pick up back speed. We not pick up back speed. The one more mesh here to blow off of them window. But them put thingy on. Listen to that. One more tank blow off of the roof. One more tank this blow off of somebody's roof. Yeah. So with the out here. Walk one on this side here, so. Beryl are going with them. God, I'm bougie out here. Beryl say, no, I'm going to take on a piece of Jamaica. No, most part of the island, like countryside, them probably. Yeah, we are. But here we put so far. And just them little thing are going right now. Don't know if it won't come back up. Don't know if it won't, the wind won't get heavier, it won't just stay this way and then subside, or we're going to get a heavy hit from it. But so far we've been lucky. No want to talk too soon. But yeah man, B. Kelly TV, one B. Kelly outside. Just keeps. So right man, the out here I do it. Tear down that mash up. Right I might do a way that you know. So I have to stoop down and that and I come downstairs. I said stay. But you don't know, we still have give chance so we have life and can be out here. See there? One over there so we tear down there so. Still have life and we can do it and come outside. But we can come outside with good. You see me? Right through this one here so. We come down. Yes sir. You know we go. See there? Right down, everything come down almost. I just 2, 3